Hey folks, Adam here again, and today we're looking at Whitmor's. This is a Supreme Kitchen and Microwave Cart. This thing is absolutely phenomenal. With over 10,000 ratings, almost 10,000 ratings, it has nearly a 5-star average. Now first off, our camera person will take a look. This is a removable cutting board on the very top. Obviously you can just use this as a shelf if you like, but it is a very nice cutting board that you can place right here and do all your cutting. Fantastic. You can also use it as a microwave cart, set your microwave right on top of it. Easy to put together. You can put this together probably in under 30 minutes, and you can see the shelf heights are adjustable to basically about a 1-inch variation. It is on wheels with locking wheels. You can click to lock. You can see little Boston Terrier friend is going to join us in the video. And we do have this right here, which is for pushing it. It's a little handle, and we're currently using it as a place to hold a towel. So a fantastic cart. We got our crock pot on the bottom, we got our pet food in the middle, and this thing is coming very handy. We absolutely love it. Again, Whitmor has been in business for over 70 years. They're a fantastic brand. They're very trusted in your kitchen accessories. Go ahead and order today. You won't be disappointed. Order with confidence. We've been using this one for a while now. We absolutely love it, and you will too. Thanks for watching, and adios, amigos.